Finally, after finishing the config file, we should save the file and start Watcher by command docker compose op dash. We may need to wait a couple of seconds here. Now your watcher is started and healthy, so we can access the watcher UI, import 3030. You can see the watcher user interface here. We have empty wallet here, so these informations are zero. And we are watching Ergo as our watching network, and our watcher is broken since it's not registered yet. Once you top up your wallet with your ERG and register your watcher, you will take the WID token, your watcher identifier token, and then your health status will be updated to healthy.